Okay, take us back. Okay, sharp. How fitla go Chiefs go tsagalang wa fitla. O thola bo mang since ba o dutse officing at Paris the whole day.
Oh, Canada Naturana, it was from the packing, you see, going to the changing room to meet the guys you see on the TVs. Nalbo Tawamoki, Keza Chuna, Terry Spence, and I was Karango Bess. I was P where I took a free state, I was Chiefs. So there was a lot
of not also competed in tough and tough.
And tough left after man. It was Keza Chuna, it was Seschoua, it was David Khatebe,
okay.
It was Rosin Kilambe. Then when Sechua arrived, and that's where they chased David Khatebe, Kilambi, yes.
So it took you for how long about signing?
Hey, my story in fact, when I was there first week, training with them, what's ever go cast, hey, I like cheese one and no signing. I wanted that pressure. So sign, so it's in his assessment. But in that first week, Papik wanted me to sign immediately.
Good.
So man, stop, but no, wait, there's a new coach that is coming. So we don't know Retlau Rat or never Rat.
I'm not the good man.
No,
I'm not. Simple pool.
Thank you, Jam.
Ay, strike is cool, man. Strike is cool, is cool. Yeah, hey. Phela mona la benga 7 years, mara bengifana ukuzibiza ngoPhulu nami lapha eCrash. Ngithi hey, ke na Phulu lena.
Ukuzibiza ngobushaba ezinje ezinkulu.
Sibeshabalala. Yini igama bangikali wena vele bathi wena usibeshabalala. Hayi nabo bozongo baphiwa bozizwe igama lakazi. Nami la kashaba ngapho shabalala athani ngisaphuva kwe ukushaba na kwani uthi usefos lona ngase mina ngine family rugby
No, mina ngikhulele Phimvila nje basi
Soweto Shito mazga
before kabi Nike saseyisimba
Kusaseyisimba
yeah
ikhoti yalazi isijuba
hayi mapaphile ezohosta
umapaphile
no lento ngizana nayo ujumayele leSuperSport
opio
yeah
development ne that's team
now so
then Godman sizwe 250 mapeniti yamkafa
umakasana ngithi ngiyamkela Godman
iwala ngitshela Godman la lidlalile na ku SuperSport
Murobo
uri
hayi
ekhala kusawuni Nzoroba mfiti
Nzoroba Nzoroba ja
Chaka Tijo
Stugu
ngathi Chaka
Chatse khulu sizwe
I'm not
grand food yeah yizo
ukathora sofa Godman
yeah
yasithi nje ukubamba iringasi nje sitshela ama trappers ukuthi who is Tshepo Pulo
Tshepo Pulo intwana nje ekhulele lokushini Soweto Phimvile sadlala lapha kuPhimvile Young Stars
okay
lapha Nike mara before kuyasabiza ngeSafa Simba
ubekuyiSafa Simba
yeah so before zoba Nike and then from there to Phimvile Cameroon bangakabiza eBC Mtsipe League bekuyimVoracom League
yazi asingayenzini asingayidonsi komlando because lezo yizi sifuna usijuka umtshela ukuthi kahle kahle ngubani mina nje just two ama trappers uthi mawuthi ngidlale kule team so professionally then siphela
professional ngiqale vele kuyo Kaizer Chiefs
ku Chiefs that was the first professional contract
yes.
Then kwalandela ngani
SuperSport
then
ngeza ku ACs
Pumalanga applications
yeah.
Was it the time abothembazwana babalonile or bekangafika
no before bekangafika bona then ngaya kusivutha after sivutha then ngaya eMozambique
so kuyana ngalo Godman
akusacoach ngirenda before zozala kuBaroka coach yeah
then wayivala ngale Mozambique
yeah and then ngayivala ngale Mozambique
alright yazini Godman because ngiyazi ukuthi udlale with the likes of abo Kaizer Junior Mtaung the likes of abo Chorialpa Naman
yeah, sure.
But I want your best 11 all time so qala ngegoalkeeper number 1 ungabeka bani
obviously ngabe kukhulu lapha ebhaleni
number 1
yeah
okay then ngale ku right back ubeka bani
ngiGodman uSkoko Nzama
Cyril Nzama
sure
okay then la ku left back
ku left back ngabeka enye yase-Uganda bathi David Obuwa.
Obuwa. Nyamkavu Obuwa nyazwela. Then left central. What udlala 5 nge?
Left center back.
0.5. Yeah, left center back I mean to say sorry.
Yeah, lapho ngabeka Hotman, ngabeka Fabian McCarthy, ngibuye ngibeke no Derek Spencer.
Okay, so it's Fabian McCarthy and Derek Spencer.
Yeah.
Shit's overleader.
Yes, overleader.
Okay, then City la ubani okugadela imali.
The horse. King General Tina Shinungoma.
Ngoba ubani umuntu. Then i10 yakho ubeka bani la kunawo?
Odlala Hotman la. Thibo Thabang, Thabo ngibeka yena.
Tsikitsiki. Yo. Then la ubeka bani?
Uzolandela ngapha side. Eish, ubatrikinyana namani lebe ngithanda kakhulu lapha kule kodwa first Calvik.
First Calvik.
Yeah, eish nomathebula but ngizochoose uGerrit.
Uhlala phakathi po.
Yeah.
Then lana ku left forward yangobani?
La ku left. Eyathi bengithanda manje lebe dlana kuBhibo le bande Tentlate.
Eish, utane super sport. Bathi umntane super sport. Then ngale ku right uyangobani?
Ngala ka right. Yeah. Abe Hotman nami lapho atazo 10 triple.
Biza amaphoyisa. Asaqinile.
Yeah.
Then ustrika ngobani? Ukora ngobani? Lo uyosithathela icap phela.
Yes. Hotman. Ngibeka bani? Ufuna kubeka mina.
Popolo. Popolo.
Lapho ngazifaka la kubi uzovalayo.
Popolo.
Yeah.
Okay, let's say ke Popolo umbeka ungabeka bani? Because I think there was someone umcabangayo.
Ngibeka Hotman Mapenzi.
Benny McCarthy. Okay, 18 era. So, shooting phethe uMakhopa, ngiphethe lo noMabasa, uBenny now. Okay, enda flop kodwa banazini, ithi bazokushanga makeup mina ngigijimela ngale kushaba sikhona, then bazokubona koshukene. Thank you kodwa lapha.
Shabares.
Yebathi kwagoke Thembisa, kwagoke Pitori, kwagoke Zola. Ingakho ngizwa njengethi it's Trap and Pass uhlakwa Fetch and Fridays for Trap and Pass. Kanti futhi ezasemzansi zishisa phe. Njengoba besengishilo ama-trappers ukuthi ezasemzansi zishisa phe, kunengoma engingayizwa ngale ku-Bucks Camp ithi sekusele kancane sizophumelela. Ngelimi likaJoji bathi South Africa takes on Africa. Ngathi le CAF izosala ekhaya as both Mamelodi Sundowns and Orlando Pirates progresses to the semi-finals of the CAF Champions League, not forgetting Stellenbosch FC making it to the semi-finals of the Confederation Cup. Ngithi bayoze bavume. Sisathi kuyo indaba yama-semi-finals ma-trappers lapha emakhaya. Ne-Nedbank Cup nayo ithi singayikhohlwa. While there are no Betway Premiership games this weekend, Bafethu, it's still an exciting action-packed Sunday with the Nedbank Cup semi-finals. Only 4 teams remaining. 15 o'clock, which is 3 p.m. in Orlando Scotini. It's Orlando Pirates up against Imarumo Galanti. Bese ngo 6 p.m. Elof Charles in Pretoria. It's Mamelodi Sundowns up against Kaizer Chiefs. Sebathi qhuta manikiniki. Asindala zombili. Awusasho zabambana ngithi yebo baba. Weekend stage namhlanje ma-trappers sikhuluma ngamahlema boys. Today siphethe uTshepo Pulu, Vichicho. Born in October 1984 in Pimville, this right-footed striker developed his skill in this football-rich area, starting with youth development at Pimville Young Stars and Cameroon. Watching on 2007, he made his debut for Kaizer Chiefs with 16 appearances and 2 goals then. In 2010, he moved to SuperSport United on a free transfer and played 7 games. From SuperSport United, he went to Mpumalanga Black Aces also on a free transfer in 2011. Messi in 2012, he played for Isibuja Stars, and after 3 years without the club, he played for Mozambique side club Ferroviario da Beira in 2016. In 2018, he joined the Alexander United till the end of his career. le i-Trap and Parts, and uTshepo Pulu is our guest, joined by amakrotman wami uSijuku, uSizwe noBibo.
Bathi awuyebo sijukujuku wamawalawala wamavulavala wamawida wama-international mfana kacheko mfana today. Welcome to another exciting episode bafethu season 3 ye-Trap and Parts. Niyaza ngihambe ngiyi-1 ngihlale nginitshela ngihamba nabangani bami ke bafethu ngiphethe inja yami u-250 awumsizwane alright mfethu Bibo alright bafethu namhlanje siphethe inja yempilo inja igame bamaziyo bamthandayo bathi uTshepo Vichi Vocho Vichicho indoda yayigijima kakhulu ishiye hey hayi kuningi Vichicho akona mazipho yaphela kanye engikhuluma le ndaba sakaZulu kulenza ngikhuluma ngiyazulu kade wakehetha wahlanya kancane abanye yabona so like manje bafethu siphethe uVichicho namhlanje uVichicho mpinjami ngicela uzintroduce usho ukuthi uTswakayi ucelile kayo dlala diskani wathi uTswakayi like no diploma kayi jwang
Na igama lami Tshepo kaPulu, born and raised from the Dusty Street of Pimville, Klespraet. So I started my journey in football when I was playing for Pimville, Cameroon.
okay ngiyacaba ngizena uzokufuna ngingangena emlomeni uzoqhubeka nazo usho ukuthi usebenza phela usebenza amanyazi babakho ngikhumbula manje kuletha lapha eChiefs usesela usashaya ijinti nekhamela le inyoka ya ungaqhubeka pijama.
Then from Pimville, Cameroon, I went to Pimville Youngsters. And then that's where I got scouted from Chiefs. Sure, it's Cyril Nzama's former team. And remember Lil Tsolenyan was playing there as well. So that's where my journey to Chiefs, Cyril came to take me to Chiefs. But before, I was supposed to sign with Pirates.
Okay.
Because the person that brought me to Pirates, I remember, was at their office. I stayed there the whole day. Then I went to the Esther Khumani.
Okay.
So I couldn't come and meet the chairman. When I was supposed to come the following day, then that's how I went to Naturena.
Do you regret not signing with Pirates?
No, I didn't know what was going to happen there, but so when Cyril heard that, I went to the office of Pirates. Maybe it was God's grace. I never met chairman. I stayed there the whole day. But the person who was pushing for me is the late Gift Remy. He's rest in speed because I grew up with him and playing the very same team. Even at high school, we played together. Yeah, he's the one who was talking to Tebkhumlo a lot about me and stuff. This guy must come. So, Buchu, they know me. Cheese was knowing me. So, Kafel and I was like it was Albana Pirates, but unfortunately, it didn't happen.
Okay, take us back. Okay, sharp. How fitla go Chiefs go tsagalang wa fitla. O thola bo mang since ba o dutse officing at Pirates the whole day.
Or to be first chair and Chiefs like us chair the family ngona wikali ka like khotsi jwang kula bona ba tla sizwe lezinto before sifike ebulweni yabona ukhule kanjani.
I was raised by my grandmother and my grandfather. My mother didn't raise me. I left Eastern Cape at the age of 3, I think. Then I came back to Joburg. That's where I grew up in Pimville.
Pimville.
Yeah, so it was me and my grandmother and my grandfather and my 4 brothers from my father's side.
Okay.
Yeah, and then on my mother's side, 5. I'm the 3rd born from my mother's side. I've got 2 sisters, Bagupilak, and then 2 sisters that are behind me. Okay. But on my father's side, I'm the last born.
No jwang khula nje kwa background.
Yeah, man, you know, those days were tough, and those olden days were. So, but I came from the home family. Whatever would is working hole in that they always strict.
Yeah.
So all of Santa Sabagadi Keres, Osaka Mashala Mole, Ekituba, Upis grounding. So those are the things about routers on our respect and everything to your chores and everything. But sometimes never do those chores after school. Straight to one pile. Really fail, and then that's a Bakituba. And then those are the things so Bangwana. But I've been raised well. I come from the warm family.
Okay.
Yeah, I must say the family that was very, very supportive. Even now they're very, very supportive. Yeah.
So at Chiefs, did you trial or an early assessment or take us through?
Oh, what happened is that there was a tournament, a Discovery tournament. So the chairman himself was there. And at that time I was at Pimville Youngsters. And we're playing the league that called Vodacom, now called APC. It was Vodacom League. Yeah, so he asked Ntatiti, man, where are the players, you know? Because only Pimville, I saw only Gift. I don't know, there's other player there that plays with Gift. You can ask him. So that's when he says, no, call him to come. Then he called me. Unfortunately, I was at training. They called me. That's the first time I met the chairman. I called the team and says, no, tomorrow I must come to the office, but I must come at Easter, around 9 o'clock, we say. So that's when I went there. So when we get to the office, go to the reception, that we came, but they said the chairman is very, very busy in the office. Waited and then lunch. After around 3, it was a time to go to training. They said, no, can come back again tomorrow. So when I tell Ntatiri say what happened, and then he says, no, he spoke to Cyril, so that I must not go back there again. So I didn't go back to Esther's place, and then we go back again to the office. I didn't go there. Then that's when I went to go to train the Chiefs the following week, I think.
So Cameroon was a big team, Pimville, Joe.
Yeah.
Before Futubale next stadium.
Yeah, so Simba.
Sampa nili Simba.
Before Simba, nili
Tafule. I think 4 grounds, ne?
Yeah.
Nili 4. Tafula we next stadium kone Pimville.
Ola.
Yeah.
Serious?
So Cameroon was a big team. So baspotile wena fela because of that no nali David. And then the team ya country.
There were a lot of stars there. Others didn't make it, was 16 amount, but who made it is me, Gift, and Tamsan Latebe called Kushesh.
Oh, Kusheshe, yeah. Nalala plek Leopards.
Nalala Dynamo is up again.
Kilala le naga di Sunday say we
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are the guys. Then after that, Jomo used to come and play with Abu Dhabi.
Okay.
But he went to Supersport.
Okay.
Yeah. Then Gift went to Pirates.
Okay.
Yeah. And I was supposed to go with Gift at development together.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good development of Paris.
Yeah.
And then why is Allah?
It never happened. I don't know. My parents, they were very strict about me to play in soccer than school. Because every time, yeah, my grandparents, after school, I have to go home because every time we gift after school, they go straight to.
Yeah, gifting that like a road where Coco will understand.
Yeah. So for me, it was difficult for me to go there.
You're so wrong to you. You're so wrong, like because of like no rather disc get
blind. Ilan sort of blind, but unfortunately, one of my cheaters over one of my staff, we no feel rushing and you know those things. So it becomes a very painful one. But then I said no, let it pass again. And then also, Gift got a break to senior team. Kusheshe got a break to Leopards. Sits in Nagriwa. Jomo da Supersport. So there was a time I was like, let me leave football. Maybe now I'll never make it. We could play there 2 years, and he tried for his best for me to play at Pirates. Yeah, so it never happened. I said, okay. There was teams, man, but Dangerous Takis, Romang, that wanted me to sign, but director Nasabat, because in every time Discovery, I would get offers, NFT. That Matala na on the street. Never patal I'm gonna go to the big teams. And it happened.
So how was the pressure because of Kibanomo? Kwena ko scheming mo setting?
Yeah, pressure is nearly there, man. It was a lot. But I told myself, if it's not my time, it's not my time. My time will come.
By that time, how old are you?
I was 18.
Okay.
Yeah. Because my first team contract at Chiefs, I was 21. I was 10 and 21. I was 20, 10 and 21.
Okay.
Yeah. So I was a bit younger.
Oh,
so I lost many opportunities when I was young.
Okay.
Because even at Simba, I never played academy to lose other academies or what. Only academy that I went, Kennedy and Tovi, what, go Max Park. But there it was 3 months. Then there was a guy in France that wanted me to go to France. And then my grandparents, they say, I sent another minyan, he won't go there. So those opportunities that I was missing. Saying, come back into Pimville Youngsters direct. Opportunities comes, it doesn't want me to go. Opportunity comes, it doesn't want me to go. So then I left football about for 2 years, from the age of 18 until 20.
Uduts au chimi, outline anywhere.
It's next.
No kwatetse polo, no.
Yeah, and quite easily a Natama director because you know Nasabat about the clearance or you know those are the things Nasabat or you go teaming so I rush about finance control about no rushing to Chalete PDSM. Then che bonus sinyana tsena ba re fa tsona ba re prep ne dinyana.
So when they fetch you to go to Kaizer Chiefs, no so sadlali total.
No, before go to back to Kaizer Chiefs, Cyril came with a director. Kuhai.
Okay.
Yeah, Tlongwenga. And then I started, I said, no, let me come and train first before I go to
You trained for how long?
for 6 months.
Then after 6 months, you go to the natural.
Yes.
So did you trial there?
Cyril spoke to Papik
Okay.
and said, I've got a player so and so. Because before I was supposed to be there, come Midindop. So
Okay.
Midindop was under pressure because not like drawn, not like drawn. Then when Midindop left, when Papik came, I think I came with the game after Chiefs won 4-1. Cafes came here, Papik.
Okay.
But I played Fantasy Celtics go play.
Okay.
So when I came, I trained a week. It was hip about me.
Okay.
First day, most of the guys were very, very hip about me.
Uthola bomanda.
Hey, ke thola dingwenya kaofela. Oh, Canada and Churana, it was a from the packing, you see, going to the changing room to meet the guys you see on the TVs. Nalbo Tawamoki, Nalbo Kezachu, Nalbo Terry Spence, and I was Karango Bess. Nalbo Spiwa, I took a free state, I was Chiefs. So there was a
And
lot
then
of
also competed in tough on tough.
and Tofo left after man. It was
Enough
Kizachuna, it was Sischua, it was David Khatebe,
Okay.
it was Rosin Kilambe. Then when Sichua came, arrived, and that's where they chased David Khatebe, Kilambe, yes.
So it took you for how long about signing?
Hey, my story in fact, when I was there first week, training with them, what's ever go cast, hey, it's like cheese one and no signing. I wanted that pressure. So sign, so it's in his Sansanigila assessment. But in that first week, Papik wanted me to sign immediately.
Good.
So man, stop, but no, wait, there's a new coach that is coming. So we don't know Retlau Rat or never Rat. So Cyril got information around Otla machine like Ratar into another. So when I continue the way you're doing, okay, I machine comes. I first see that guy when he shouted, what's this guy ish? What's who? You understand? Yeah, because I love Chile, I hate Caleras, but you get used to my hot man, like the truth my hot man, and the way he encouraged me a lot to get that confidence back. And then after 3 weeks, machine on put or infant. Have you signed? I said, no. What? Not. It's up over the infant. I'll sign him too. And then it depends. Got signed. After signing, remember, I didn't get paid for 3 months.
Signed how many years?
It was 3 years.
Okay.
So, but they will pay me, you know, what's about month end, but we expect to look at cruiser, like the
so card. So sign cause in to rema go that demon.
Hey, my coconut. I keep it before, no not pressure. This thing isn't happened yet. Up until
It's the key.
DK to the contract yet. Just in the rumors, what's about guys, to Ujana Chiefs, so sign and the pressure so sign. What if they're not able to divide? So those are the things keep on what I. Let me wait. And then after signing, Cyril Kupong is go high. Do not do well for me.
Chris Makok.
Yeah. Chris, I have good news. Good news. What? Finally.
Sign.
Yeah. Chris, I can tell you and everything, understand? But after that, month end, paycheck, no. I want to know. Cyril and Sankhutaza, for those depends new, I want to up and down. So, yeah, up until I go to the coach. Coach, what's wrong? Since we signed in, not 2 months, I feel like so too. That guy get angry, I go all over just a scrap. So, program pizza, if you've got a problem, come to me. Next, I say, why was a hole? But they pay me that money.
What demand the month?
Yeah, 3 months. So, whatever I financially too, I didn't want to talk a whole so probably no went under bridge. So Kubega went to span. Then I lost span, I Kubega lost span. Then I feel like my crazy. Yes, I'm a crazy. idonsisenyane khane ya
bawuvabukayo nakuyo
hayi mansitulu Mon, mamela akithi ba
ngiyithandi le question yami bawuvabukayo
Bon, akere you coming from a very amateur team. So it's a start.
Start, yeah.
That's
Like a stipend.
Stipend. So banqadile ka 15.
okay fair
But
Then bankaya senonfinyana yabo ma 80 stina that is. Azitla ula because I'm only negichisa na good. Then we went for pre-season in Cape Town. When the season about to start, that's why I got injured.
guy mo
My tendon Achilles.
Okay.
Whole season out. But I'm out. I only played my first game against Leopards. Koko Kutendo Barijawani. That was my first team. So I didn't play the whole season. And I thought in Tosaka Nedivaka, bombarding, passing, and everything, friendly games, which I know in Tosaka and why. The Vash up. Bam, injury. Injury, but operation. I into out for season again. So to get into the Mihlabela body in, then I recovered very quick.
azama about the ideas nyana kila one of the big teams awufihla babona ka rotla ka problem wa tswa ndikana di big teams awufihla ka rotla ka problem wa re awayinana azanya fihla ngqondo nyawo dai
At first I azange afihla konqondo. Wena ifihlile ko second season.
dele ntsinyana tsejwala
Atsatsa dinjalo atsebe ya bo Coldstone ya le Poso.
salwa khawata ne
Yeah, so whenever we get your peak and then you get injuries, and then those injuries are not short-term injuries. They become a long-term, and that's thing they are frustrated.
awana na blue next
Nah, Cyril says, in fact, if you believe that someone to say I can do it, but if you don't believe it, coach is signing such a meeting, I can say it happen.
table
Yeah, so Karna, if Nilna Kwaka can if I see you, then I see you.
so Vichicho, uqeda usayina kokasi bathi bayisayine ne-Chiefs obvious seyikwina di-headlines babona staff obvious kuyasiba staff ubatla ubawubone ukena likakasi lechikwe ibatlang ibone so first season injury how did you take it frustrated
I'm frustrated but I will but nako kasa krike utsitse sha I never went ka staff naka kasi ya period go fair because bo Cyril bo ata banje to staff siyafela uya ku dikini yeah sabatlo yi when aspana before what batlotsi so next avaka staff na ke reklo chama bo mama
who supported you during that injury first season
I think my grandparents supported me a lot mother even Tate Direct who took me to Chiefs I supported me very lot. So I think he motivated me a lot again to come back because it's not easy to come back after going to fees or how to going to recover because when you go back, you know, Chimali team, if somebody comes behind you, you feel that it's at our teeth and then you're gonna tear it again. So you get that scared and then it takes time after that and then you become a bit more better.
after
how was the second season
Second season, pre-season, like it's nice. Everything went well. Unfortunately, Machine liked me a lot. Yeah, that guy liked me a lot. So we become chillers. I keep competing with them and stuff. And you know, players from Jesus ask him, so they thought that I signed the Chiefs because I brought by Siren. So other players started to bring players and they never signed. Bo Fabiani, Bo Atazwani. And there's the players that came, they never signed. Bo Makalela, they used to come and try. Yeah, Kumu. They never get signed. So they said, no, I've signed because of Cyril. Cyril, no, the same chances you give into other players is the same chance. And I never spoke to anything to that to sign. So those are the things became a bit bitter. Watazwani, you know, phela team yatazwani ko Galatasaray ngidula ke bulanja la dlala league
Dofai
ngidula ke bathe abafona bale camp wathe bora plajo ke Vichicho bacedile
so second season you play how many goals
I didn't score a lot I ke achuri after more game time Mushini for first season remember other coaches Rona na Ribisa the Chickens was two so pala bomandla na Ribisa one side boMichael Nkambule Sandile Zuki Tomle Kwan used to call us as guys you are the future of the team bomatalaba batlaba tibela but I've got pressure from the office that there's certain games come Kenya sub, certain games I never start, you understand? But second season, my first game, it was against Pirates, Komabacho Stadium, Telkom Charity Cup.
Okay.
Shin, boom, I got to work. Starting line up. Game of Hulu, so, Dabi. So, pre-season, hey, I want to learn the atmosphere. Yeah, what Laranyana man cash for one, but when you get to the stadium, the Vuvuzela, know that thing motivates you. Yeah. Now it's the time, alright. So that was a good feeling.
How was it? How did you play?
I did well. I played well because I was playing behind Sean.
Sean Butler.
Yeah, Sean Butler was playing up front, I was playing behind him.
A big game. Now not friendly.
Yeah, Maramola, Boti, Koli, Ritres. Hey, they were hot. In the middle of the park, yeah, they were giving us a
Problem.
Kamo Kimle, Kamo, Mtibagaset, out of Saganalen. I get too perfect. So, but it was nice, man.
So that one was your last season?
No,
The second.
So how was the last season? The third one?
The third one, it was when Vivi came in.
Okay.
Vivi came in and played me as a winger. Let me say, we've got speed, we've got everything. I want you to play as a winger. Then after 6 months, his agent came to me, I think it was Micho, came to SuperSport, man, the tall guy from Sabia. Mpandlana, our agent.
Agent send us to I'm Paul Michel.
No, Micho.
Okay.
There's a tall guy. So he was managing the coach. So I still had a contract with other guy, Mike Fowler, my agent, Sports Midfield Agency. I said, no, I can't sign 2 contracts. I don't know, in order for you to stay at Chiefs, you need to sign with me. In order for you to play, you need to sign with me. And then me and Mkiti was the same agent. Even Mkiti told him same thing. So if you can sign with that agent and then you got a contract, it's a breach of contract. Because I can't sign with this guy. And then when I renew contract, I've been negotiated by somebody. And then I get Lorenko agent. So we got that schooling and then come end of the season, they say, okay, we're loaning you, what do you want to go, Vets or Platinum? Nchopobi. But my contract is finished. It says, but no, we've got 1 year left. Because I think there was a time when but there's a paper you didn't sign.
Okay.
Come quick, you want to sabal quick. Sign the fit and I go that payment sack. So when they show me that contract, no, you've got 1 year contract left. But PSL says my contract is finished. So we went schooling Bopo. I said, no, if you want me to stay or if you want me to loan, give me 3 year contract. Then I can go on loan. You see. This 1 year contract that I don't know. Let's negotiate a new contract. If you don't want to talk to my agent, now I can talk to myself now. Then we can talk. Then it never happened. Then that's when my move from SuperSport came.
Uyiswa ke agent ele.
Yeah.
Lo yana somyekile.
The same agent in
Oh,
the
okay.
Yes.
Then now fitla go SuperSport.
Yeah, SuperSport, everything went well. And then Chief says, no, this guy's got an agent, got a contract.
Contract 1 year.
1 year. So Kevin says, hey, man, that's on the hotel and solve your things. Because Jose, one piece, are in fit. And then Seki Jimal SuperSport, I was training SuperSport. Yeah, this is never one.
So, you train SuperSport to the contract leaches.
Na contract I can refer in. So, no barking at 1 year. But any barking is a magaloon go.
Baruna 1 year Kaiser Chiefs.
Yeah.
When I the contract I feel. So, I want to know maybe you guys train team but team our contract. So maybe maybe breach what or maybe when I
yeah, but those things agent is the one who was handling those things.
So I blame legend down to
yeah, no, in Moscow. I can one pose a that contract. Where's that cop says Kinali contract? Because living PSL says I've got 3 years, not 4 years. So after 3 years my contract is finished.
Sure.
So they spoke to Jose Ferreira. Jose came to me and spoke to me, Raymond. Chiefs batla Zaga
Kawani.
Kawani. So for you, Ronaldo sign it, you need to pay. So that's where contract yaka go SuperSport, shelter thing by half full.
Kawadi,
to pay
Chichi 1 year la Chiefs.
yes.
So no, Chiefs is shele bukhuri da.
Yeah. Probably
Yeah, Abdul. What's wrong with
Hey, but so Kawadi le go so.
Nah, actually sometimes I can all about your pay slip. Okay, envelope, you understand? So there's one incident. Except Jimmy Tau Boni that in Yamanga Bulaga mistake over to hold off it and then to Alalu week out. So we went to complain. My motor would similar
To hold up because confidential.
yes. So those are the things. Oh, such a melody.
Mawubona into abakayibona.
Yes.
Bulala into ezabantu enzayo.
envelope ngiyayazi leyo envelope ngengwala confidential awuyibula kahle kana libu blue nyana.
Yeah, what's about Kevin? I said, oh, you come from a big team, how you demanding money like this, like you are amazing, what you understand? So, and I came with Jeffrey Duke as a late, you remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's when we went to Supersport.
So wafika ko SuperSport Shapa 1 year contract.
Yeah, 1 year contract initially didn't because they got lots of expectations, I understand.
Okay.
There were certain games I need to start before I get this other 2 years.
Okay.
Yes. But when I was supposed to reach those games, I was coming as a sub. Sometimes I'm not playing. I don't know, maybe it was a sabotage or what for contracts or for me not to reach those 15 games. So for me to get that one.
So how was the pressure? You from a big team like Kaizer Chiefs? Ufika ko SuperSport. It's not like SuperSport is a small team, but the pressure. Pela as a striker, you have to score. You have to a striker is not like a defender midfield. A striker what is recommend me score.
Yes.
So how was the pressure?
Pressure was not a lot, but when Kevin is total football different. Play on the wings, but I was not good on
Go ahead, yeah.
on head. I told people the ball for Bofikru.
Yeah, doesn't make what was like Sisu was like wasn't with the pressure, ne? Because of Kaizer Chiefs is a big team, big players. SuperSport also had big players that time. When you signed, there was a lot of big players, internationals.
Bofikru.
Nasif Moise.
But Solomon,
That's why like I'm saying, SuperSport was winning the league.
were there. Ola for Nachi Samoro, Chabumalule as well. Kemiti Resmas was there.
David Kanamia.
Nah, it was Bradley Canel. Yeah,
Honorable Bradley Canel.
Bongani Kumalo.
yeah, Morgan
Morgan.
Red Karel, say, Shane Pochenpool, understand? So,
And we have to adjust to the philosophy of Kevin Hunt.
or the likes of Nchuma over there. Yeah, but
Okay.
I was usually to the machine.
Ngintona ne discuss la ne
go.
ko SuperSport ne.
Another thing, Bozong. Another thing, the internet table Musa.
Thabo Mloyi.
Atha umlo ufike late.
Lintwana barikipule.
Khwela.
You remember?
Yeah, Philani Khwele.
Pool. Yeah. So those are boys that were
The
good.
champions that
In the section carding when I was there, but he never could sign and then left. He was doing well as well.
So, sharp Jijo. After SuperSport where kai.
After SuperSport, I went to.
No, but I'm supposed to. How was it the SuperSport? How did he? Udlale kanjani? I was samjaha. Asimntshele kahle SuperSport. How was it? The experience. Phela team enkulu. How was it? And then now the style of play has changed, and it's also gonna affect you also because you try to tiki more later.
Yeah, it's one direct football, you understand? So you need to adjust, you need to adapt. But at least not talking about this is how we're going to play. Tolkai second ball, because when we are short in Erasmus, so need to balance how we play. We ain't go wide cross. So but I'm not good at the head when I go. So those are the things a SuperSport here we're doing. But at training I did well. Was what goalkeeper Jacob Mukhasi. I was scoring at the center. He was center and remember. Yeah. So those are the things, was those powerful shows that I had. But I enjoyed it that season. But the problem the match was saying because I have to leave here to 6 in the morning because we're training at 8. Traffic.
Environment udula utloka ika Jozi tlamle Pretoria and also udula ka yine.
Yeah, so after leaving Chiefs, I bought the house, go Winchester. So when I suppose there was a time I was late with Morgan. Morgan like to sleep. Around 7, Kona Rizzo. always rushing ngoke phela wona ne-contract la national team nanyafika mlungu yangibuza why not to buy a house, why don't you come and stay in Centurion? I said no, I can't because I just bought the house in Manchester.
Okay.
So I'll come every now and then at training because we used to, this week we're going with Morgan's car, next week is mine, like that we change to save petrol.
Give my advice then ube lidladla ngibona ntonyana ezijwala.
No, ngithola advisor ke Cyril Nzamo because we used to get good bonuses, you understand?
Ukaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, so those bonuses nasabahle ke reke body koloi body in, you understand? So the guy was monitoring my progress in terms of finance and every decision making that I did. Unfortunately, kamlamane level, kamamela. Then I okay, now it's the right time we can do deposit yadladla because of renting and renting. What if you stay there for 6 or 7 years? At least you've been owning the house than renting it. You see? Yes.
Span.
Yes.
So wena wazange wafihla kwa Melusi ne?
Melusi kufihlile koyena.
Yes.
I went to do a card, Bob Sticker and Fit Code, I call Melusi. Commissioner, I go do a card and everything. See what fit and Melusi, I do it into how fast. When you are my phone into the teaser one. Cara, you understand? Yeah, but before I said, Cyril and Tipare, don't go there. So, but like anything, you talk to your agent or you talk to me because I know Medusa good to me.
What's
Okay,
the
you're
note?
good.
Ushayira next
I'm team.
usashambanza shapanga next lo.
My first car, I didn't bought it car finance, I bought it cash. Also. Or before, one just bought peer pressure. So I'm at the PM, body in, because it was loans of focus.
Wa ke taba batla tseba wa isela na o khalimela o ska go Melusi.
Because one tseba Medusa o jwang akere.
O re Melusi o jwa.
One tseba Medusa.
Nna ke mtsi ke tsa ke o botsa.
Medusa. Not like Kenya Koloto. But I tell you, motor so like that, I be right on your fete ya khama because that's a TBD finances style because you need to balance your finances.
Esrelwa mtsi.
Yeah.
So Vijijo so bayidladla from a boy from Clespret so bayidladla udlalela Kaizer Chiefs so nedladla. You were staying alone or like
No, there was a girl I used to date.
Man.
Rato. Now I'm fine.
oh yellow polo.
Yeah, but she used to stay to another house like Winchester.
Yeah.
4 of us. So I never know Maga corner there. Number 2.
Uyanhlohla.
No, I was
Wajela ngadokiyethi.
Shayithi inyupha ngizohlala naye sibe grand yabo. So because kube Orlando bengahlala nengosi yakubo.
Okay.
So sometimes kind of my safety and sometimes ngokidlala ebuye but sometimes ngiyechimina up and down ngiyazi mangapha ngiseduze ngechima. Yeah.
So Vijay, how was the feeling to buy a house umakhazini noma kajani? Wenze kanjani mawuqeda ukulibhaya like
Yeah, they were happy and the family gathering and stuff. And then I also bought another house at Pimville, there is 1.5.
Okay.
For my granite. My grazer before you Kunkulaktata, I want to thank you to Nkulisile. Move night la lakho. Nayo into yakho. I'll pay it
okay.
So when I landed at Pimville, unfortunately it was a family house. So there was a one person from a family. So I was renting it for about 2 years.
Okay.
Before Uzobeze coming along.
Okay.
But no muntu abamtholi, I end up losing money and ended up ngaliyeka lelo dlala sisodwa. Because lo muntu abamfunayo abamtholi because I've been paying rent. So lento rent le kule 2 years ngabe ngithole enye 10,000 nyana ngahlalisa umuntu emuntu ba rent ngabe ngiyachukela ngempilo.
Iphi agent ngaleso sikhathi edinga advice?
My agent, they will give advice to save money, but Mike and my agent says no, but that was maybe a wrong move. I said, how it is a wrong move? Because in your week rent the corner, young kinto, then good things we pahaza young killing. I don't tell you some things what I don't get that I put in cover if I've got bills to pay. Yeah, so those are the things because even Cyril, when you go for a com challenge, will remind me. Ndothi ngenimona ngaka ngithi yeah le silahlela kuBond le ungahambile phuma kuthi as long lesiyenzile then sign fee comes and angeni mali angamtshela and nayi imali ngenini okay there sisale le bisale le somakhle then after 3-4 years zokuyeka nawukwazi ukuchubeka njengempilo zabo sobumi because it teach me that pure pressure ngakushayi ngabona bahamba ngemoto don't know ukuthi babeka family awazi ukuthi uhola malini lo awumazi uhola malini so start kancane when you go gradually then into zakho zokubona even now it's still the same serial no sengihlothe
but ipressure mingakushayi kuchiza uskima boshabalala.
yeah pressure is always there yeah umuntu bengihlaza ngiplomana kakhulu ngakuyi P-Dop sosiphiwe so it was a nice guy naye umuntu uthanda ukwenza izinto zakhe down to earth yeah so now those advice nobuye when it came to Chiefs because yeah the people that we live with yeah because there was one time we went with Skara I said one cause what I ngahambi nalo ndozokubuyisa ekseni so those are the things that I cannot let me stick to.
But wena zange waba umuntu otshwala mos umuntu wamantombazane since lo mngane wami lokade wakudlisa kancane ngiyacaba wakushanga into ohlala umbheke kanje. Hayi bani ayisesikhulile manje umntana ngase kahlale overseas bazohlala novichicho azama umuntu wamantombazane umntana ngazi wakushanga sisi company uhlala uthe mina ndibani mfethu mesihlala lapha eWinchester sibangaka sibiza amantombazane ay56 dimani next Kadile kaphilo kobalona ngamazi ngoku ayidinto ujila. Kadile kaphilo kobalona ayindaba fethu. Yeah, ngalo muntu mfethu out. So like
Thanks to ngicela ukuphila lo kaJiji.
bana ukini manje watalo uzovithi to bebamshange into ndaba yatala. Azama umuntu ndaba PTP man. Yeah, understand. Azama umuntu so vithi tosheba enazama bamthojwana. How sheba king problem illegal decision making how ori.
I think through my career, I think a lot of injuries.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a lot of injuries and some other things from my father's side family. What's it jealous?
Yeah, sharp.
You have to change your surname, you have to do that. When you get injuries, but I wanna somebody want to
so kala wetsa ntotse no sa di tsena go lokela go chief ke straight.
Yeah,
sharp.
and grant to say God over green.
So go SuperSport uile shwang like SuperSport ke general go SuperSport.
Yeah, I went. My agent called Kevin. Kevin said no, you must come.
You play for how long?
A season.
Season.
Yeah.
Why guys sivuta?
This is.
SuperSport lesi so jalo vithi journal lidlala ka yiso SuperSport now change of environment traffic we are Pitori jano uno so bloma ka so dlala SuperSport
Diploma in Winchester.
so travel amle
Yeah.
no tsona ko manje no
5:30.
and plus SuperSport le tsena o singa 8 wa
We start ka 8 and otlamela o fihle ka 8.
tlemlo
So motho na nketsa late ke mo ke.
o no vala mo gene from
Hayi mo ke na dula ngetsa late.
Go shapa lift.
marona ko lo vithi o etsa jwang le
Yeah, ke re 1 week vaka 1 week vaka high. So I end up when Kevin and Chick and then I decide kara mo ke fit so zambele 1.
ke beno tshiketse
Uri ke fitla late and I think ke mo ke no motho late side cause now I was always early. So magene I oversleep but once rush tsama go di lo khaimisa kuma ponisa ba just chase training. There was a time I fitla da se camera le ku gym. Bona uthi ngina le khande etsa so I bona so those are the things kara again you go with your calm go nka.
Do you think is one of the things benze banga extendanga?
No,
Another
to extend it's the contract because I was getting good money there at SuperSport from Chiefs, you understand. So also to renew this other 2 years, it became a bit problem go Jose and Kevin. Yeah. So I don't know from my agent side when I ask him that no, they say they want to renew the contract because they were expecting a lot from me and stuff. So those are the reasons that
plus go SuperSport no tlemlo o tsongo SuperSport no tlo khola sharp if never sa o paisa ka 1 year e ba reng iteng
Yeah, no
you can't deal that 1 year.
So from SuperSport where I got votes Aces Mpumalanga. So now many years there?
Then nearly 2 years.
2 years.
Yeah.
Thola bomanga.
That making nalen nam kiti David Kaname Edward
Okoko.
Williams. No, they were no longer in PSL. They were not
Okay,
in
oh.
FT.
Back when FT.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then after them, I went to Zvoort.
Okay. Yeah, ke batla ho tseba the transition from Kaizer Chiefs big team, SuperSport big team to Mpumalanga Black Aces, NFT.
Yeah, those things, when I went say frustration of injuries, because when I go to other teams, the coaches that we want him, but he's always injured. He can't play for a season. So they got that problem. You want him, but he's always injured. He never played continuous about 10 to 15 games in a row. So there was the problems because and other things. When you go to another team, you say, okay, we can give him a chance, but problem the money. If he's willing to take this so much, you understand?
So from SuperSport, you were getting a lot of money. But yes, SuperSport Nefida Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
So now you're going to NFT. Obvious. Mkwamulo waehla.
Yeah.
Lifestyle.
I was not a person of lifestyle, actually.
I think Jelly and
I was not a person of lifestyle or but I was a person who okay, lifestyle change as well. Sana sakhono pala dlalile aksakhona wetsa ingwanda to investment and stuff.
Okay.
It's one Antone Gibatlo Ragbatla Keta my football career. At least can album 15 turners is a sharp. Understand? So those are the things they didn't cover to Rakihonu achieve Akitole 1 and 2 and 3.
Obvious, usenele Mpumalanga mkholo wehlile.
Yeah, kwayisisa una sign on fee. Remember you get by sign on fee etlo khona deposit yalla.
So we sharp at 2 seasons.
It was sharp.
We sharp at 2 seasons.
Yeah.
Then from Mpumalanga, Zvoort.
Zvoort.
Zvoort likoting top ganan.
It was the same salary.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Udlale how many seasons?
Season. That's where Mamkhize bought Zvoort.
Okay.
Yeah. Then after more, I stopped football. I went to work for the agency, Sports Midfield Agency.
Okay.
So where the other players that we went to or recruit players, understand, do the office in the whole day, answer all the emails and stuff and everything. It's just to try to mind the football. Next I felt like about football at the time.
That time, how old were you?
I think I was 30 or 31 at the time.
Polo was a short
30 or 31.
Jesus.
So when I was working at my agency, getting players' teams, if player shot a Cox, we take from the office, go give him all the attire for him, and then come back, managing those players, what about sharp and everything, recruiting players to the agency. You understand?
Sure.
Yeah, so those are the things I was doing. Then I went to the tournament at my Manipir.
Okay.
And then that's where I met Baba Alexander United.
Okay.
That time it was Tracy. Tracy.
Yeah, Tracy Kiamkaf.
Yeah, and then they convinced me to come and just to motivate other guys and play for one. Give me the stipends. After working at the agents, I'll go to training. 6 months down the line, then that's where there was a team from Mozambique was training there. Then my agent took me to that team. When I found that team, it was Ferroviária de Beira. So it was coached by Western Nyirenda.
Oh, Nyirenda, yeah, Nyirenda.
Yeah, January. So season I won February.
Yeah, Nyamas do coach Perok.
Yeah, Coach Barroco.
Oh, Natala.
Yeah, strike.
Pushball. Ushele pushball. Ushele pushball. Coach ile Barroco.
Yeah.
Kichimesana la coach.
Hey, that man, old school, hey.
So, you from Kaizer Chiefs?
Yeah, he asked me, and then I told I was playing so and so and so for a team, but now I'm just playing for Alex, lower division team. And then I trained with them. After a week, we came and played Paris friendly here, if I remember well. I stayed with them. Then after that, they said, we're leaving next week. Can you go with us to
Mozambique. Usampanonal date?
Yeah, 31.
31, okay. It's after him, okay.
So I had to do my things here. Alex, because season I want to feel about my April, May. We are guy I know I have to leave but clearance. As soon as I get my clearance, January, I flew to Mozambique.
It was Portuguese.
So team e nearly go NFT yaka or PSL yaka? PSL yaka. Okay. How many years?
It was a 2-year contract for me there. So my first season, top goal scorer, we won the league. That team since 1924 never won the league. It was only winning cups. So in that my first season, we won the cup.
Mkwamo lo jwang na puyo Mozambique.
Mozambique, they were giving me $2,500.
That's
So it was
good.
not bad, yeah. So
Calculate, Malin.
Are we converted to rents?
at that time it was about, because dollar ka kwali kamo ratio to nearly udimawulu. So it was plus minus 35 to 40.
Nice, man.
That's nice.
And then sign-on fee, they gave me $25,000.
25,000, that would be. Shouldn't you team?
Yeah, that man, I think we are a foreigner there.
Yeah.
And when you are a foreigner, you must always perform in other countries. It was the pressure, it was always there, it was tough.
Usho style sabona so play sawdlala ukhona usithwara or nosibona.
Yeah, it was totally different. But the guy wanted me to stay on the box,
Always
finish,
on the
not go, just up and down. Mozambique is also a tough league. It's very competitive.
So Lingo
It's Portuguese.
stood the
Because
back.
I was not in Maputo, I was in Pereira. So Pereira, there's no English.
compromise.
Yeah. So I struggled for 3 months. But there was a South African guy was playing by Mfiki.
Okay, I
He
don't
played a long time. He was 6 years playing in Mozambique. So there was a guy from, it was Thomas Nyirenda from Zambia, other one from Congo, 2 guys were from Zimbabwe. So the one is to help me the lingo and stuff, and then you have to learn. Because how you are going down to Rolo Rek or Aruba English, they don't understand. So I struggled first 3 months. First watch is harder.
just.
Yeah, the heat there is too much. Oh, you got 30, 40-something degrees. At night, it becomes 31 degrees.
About lady cherry, da.
So, Rubala, I call.
What lady cherry, da, Bulune? Our cheese, what lady cherry, da.
Yeah, there were not a lot of beautiful girls there. Sitting there and there, because you can't communicate.
Language, yeah, to Bulogas could calculate. Lots of mail could communicate a little language. How about you, if it one?
No, you have to learn basics first. So Liana is a big team, Kada. So whatever you do, where you go to nightclubs, they're always watching because there's a big team and so you have to check where you go, where you must only go to your groceries and then stay home. Yes. Because once you go somewhere, when you hear something, so it's a fellow office.
So go Winchester usile ubande ulegata.
Dala mlahleli.
Ah, no security receipts.
So no listen, no so
Selihlukile lirhat.
Yeah, I
Ish. Let's share mag.
So Vijijo, after Sivota, you decide to go and work. You were 30, so press a laptop. You want to delete this folder. Social, so tolele into anipani. Here's the offer come, and to another country, Mozambique, because of Limzans. I'm a player from Europe.
I never thought to terminal go my Europe, whatever, because I'm paying age, and the other guys, they're going and ask me, how old are you? I'm saying 31. Okay. So whatever you reach date, 31, to think good age. Me, I say, Hambin. So I never thought to go to Mozambique, offer will come. Because at that time, being in Nandi, they coach like me from the first day. So I never thought we would go play Mozambique. I said, no, we want you for your experience in Mozambique. And that's where we won the league. And then we won the cup as well.
My question is, Mozambique, I want to magati, I show, Hispania, Mozambique.
I told him, I said, Gentile, say, Peg, sharp.
Or the offer was good.
Yeah, why can't you coach us? We answered them, I said, Ukraine.
Okay, Mbuyele story sakho, when we start, you said you were raised by grandparents.
Yeah.
So lapha, obvious your parents balai South Africa, but bayabona ukuthi this is our son. So lapha phela. So good Chiefs, I said good Chiefs, Super Sport, so dumile. Then that your parents baza or azange babona like zange bene.
Yeah, it happened, you understand? And those things, it affects me somehow. If I didn't go to those teams or if I didn't get famous, would they come?
No.
No, up until the age I am. Because apparently my Mother told me, no, you left Eastern Cape while you were 3 years, Masuklan. So approaching with why now? You understand? Because if I was knowing very well where I stay. So there's a question asked, do you know where I stay? You came here because of pressure from your kids. Now put to it.
Okay.
Yabona. Hamba. Yomfuna. Tazangulahleke. Wafika kahle. So that was a question. But after that I was never bitter, you understand? I'm happy to see. Okay, no more to have brothers, to have sisters. No, you've got sisters, so on and so on. I like to see them. So. Where you staying? Told me where I'm staying, then I'll come and visit them.
But did you forgive them?
Yeah, I did. At first I didn't, but my grandmother spoke to me and said, remember, those are your parents, this is your family. No matter how bitter you can be, but you must find a place that you can forgive them because they have reasons why. So I said, why didn't you tell me, Chris? I said, no, you're still young. So now we can sit down as a family and then we can talk and discuss.
So you were using the surname Gama Kriza or the
Mom.
Olid. Okay. So after you saw them, how was the feeling?
To see them, it was nice because, you know, grow up knowing that maybe your mother died or your father died or whatever. So, not knowing what's happening. When you ask, Makriza, Eastern Cape, yeah, into and then before I go to choose, even my sister, that's older than me, wanted to ride for Bukumlekai to find a famous. Hey, so to famous available Kumlekai. Yeah, when I played to choose, I gave us I told my sister they will come. And it happened like, you know, that they came.
So uma Kriza njoba kutshela ukuthi busasemnambe ngeke khona ukutshela the reasons ukuthi why elona. So what was the reason?
Joe, it's tough and it's personal like cool, so I wouldn't want to share it because I'll be exposing the other side of my family and stuff, you understand? So that's what we say, must keep it confidential and
Okay.
so I can't speak about shade, yeah.
So when I'm listening to you, your career, ne, you started late and then it cut short by injuries, ne? So you're a player that always get injured and what. So how difficult was it? Like how difficult was it for you? And then what would you give a young boy who's always injured now? Because whatever not and like because it's not easy to come from the injury and
yeah, you know,
go again.
There was a lot of expectation, you know, from Pimville, hot watches. Again, going to a big team, get signed instantly. It shows the talent that we have. So me, in my peak, I was looking to be the peak ever gift because we grew up together. The very same gift was playing for Pirates. He fought for me to come and play for Pirates. So it shows how much the value was there. But the problem of those injuries and the long-term injuries, those things were very, very frustrating. I didn't reach the level that I wanted to reach. So I say by cross to case, it happens. Maybe it's the way that happens. I didn't want to find other things and put blames. But I will say the injuries are the ones that kill me.
Okay.
Yes.
So, Tsepo, did you ever got the serious injury in the ice you have ever, and then you go home straight to Makriza and say, Makriza, maybe, yes, there's no place like home. Eman makoko no nyalimala. When mangbambi peak.
Ish.
We understand what you're saying.
Yeah, no, there were other players saying about Ningomash. Said, look, here's Musona came here, boom, blossom, go overseas, you are still there. And you are the one supposed to go. Those are the things. Find out to Mhlambe Kaya, whatever you want to do, anything that you want to do, so that you can erase all those knocks and everything, you understand? So you have that push out. But why you always, when you get to peak, you get injured. When you get to peak and you're playing longer. Because it's not easy. Chiefs, if you one season, they get you loaned out. That is 3 days, it's 3 years.
But did you speak to Makriza about it?
Yeah, I spoke to Makriza. Makriza, she's a church person. She always believed in church. She never believed in these things of rituals and everything. Yes.
What Labitolo Tandas?
Yeah. There's a club, but you have your father. Yeah,
Is that
yes.
okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, hey, Vichito siyakuzwa mngani wami. King advice like ukayigayang no to these upcoming players mjayaka. The naling problem about the injury. You understand?
Yeah, man. What I'll give them that.
It's a naling problem with the family. Usafata polo fail. Like I want you to give advice to people man problem with the injury. Most of it all like you want the soccer players know the change the same. You want bo ke manje mang bozitha neli machaka seli kunyika khopula bo manti neli manti makuwa seli manti moholo. So yeah, what advice can you give?
The advice I can give is like they need to speak to their family. If he was raised by the mother, speak to the mother. If he was raised by the father, to get the truth. You understand? So that for me not to change the surname says no, your father didn't pay lobola and stuff. You can't change. Why now they want to come and do everything for you so that to change the surname? So those are the things that if you are still early, I show mom this is what. How did I grow up? Did my father marry you or did everything is fine? Okay, Shabis did pay lobol and everything, yeah, and then you can change. Did he do the rituals for me and everything? So that so those are the things you need to talk. And also, injuries that frustrate the young age, especially when you get to PA, because now you get behind. Some injuries you can't avoid them. You understand? It will happen, but if you can stay strong, because you end up like Zoma says, you go drink, you get frustration comes in a different way. You don't know how individually you handle it. So we all handle it in a different way. So get people who are there longer, ask that advice. Unfortunately, I get advice from the good people that are around me. I'm here because of him, because if it wasn't about him, Kabilina, I was another person who went.
So Vichito has seriously played a good role in your life. And do you still have that house from Winchester?
Yes, I do.
Wow.
Big about you.
I still have it.
So what are you doing currently?
Oh, currently, we have an academy here in Els Park.
Okay.
Yeah, and academy we're playing stream B, now we're on stream A. This weekend we're playing Sundowns, we're going to Clapham, Pretoria.
Okay.
And then we've got also a senior team that is playing SAP League.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm currently coaching there.
Coaching.
And there's also co-owner of the company.
The Pampiri Diamijon.
Yeah, at Pampiri I'm going to do my C.
We've got T.
Yeah, I'm going to do my C. And I said,
okay.
After C, maybe continue to B up until I get to A.
Okay.
I'm a boss.
But now my agent came, now he's in Netherlands. Yeah? So he asked me to get players because he's going to come in May. So he wants to recruit players from Lesotho who are playing national team so they can take him to PSV. Because this child now, 2 years that I grew them up, they're playing senior team PSV and they're 18 years. Yeah. So agents that you work with, now they want to work with their former players to push them high. Yeah.
Academy is not a child's play, Pella. Hey, Bafana.
Yeah,
But he can try that down, and it's a drug.
Bafethu singakhulumila ngalezi elishone bafethu. Hayi, Tshepo, Vichito njama. Ayasibonga nizwile bafethu nina lapho masoka player bafethu. Change ibongo bafethu. Ningazi ukuthi maybe yini ngawe. Try nje kuVichito ashilo go and speak to your mothers. But okwamanje siyavala iTrap and Pass. Thank you Mpilo, thank you Maluva Lotolo Mpilo Olo. Please guys don't forget to subscribe asibonge. Amaisha ndike.
Nah, you can.
What happened?
Nah, you can. Nah, you can. You can.
And bayacavana abangana amaisha.
Mamela njengoba mfethu yazi abayishenda afana nama coach. Phela ama coach mfethu bane group yabo. Bayaringa ama coach mawubheda mfethu bazocava shuthi lo yabheda lo. Yenza so ngathi ukuthi okay indaba yakhe ayiphuma ngephepheni nani. Mara uhlalwazi ukuthi la lento le ikhona bayayicava la yini. Ngoba labantu mfethu bayaringa. So yabona uma uyiplayer mfethu ungaziphathi grand uthi ukuthi ezinye into aziveli. And uthola ukuthi coach yazazi bayaringa mfethu mfethu nenye into mfethu yabona ukungaphathi grand ama coach nakhona. Wadelela nani uhlalwazi ekugcineni uyohlangana nayo V. You understand? So lento lena le journey le mani inzima mara mina ayithemba nama ngihamba nayo bese ngibona ukuthi akuthanda lebhola laphela manje. Ngoba manje yazini bese ngidlalela ukuthi yazi ngikhona ukuthi maintain